Today we are going to learn have and has in Urdu. Hello, how are you all doing? I hope you are all doing well. My name is Sara and on this channel I teach Urdu as a second language. I teach on these websites as well and I've been teaching for the last 6 years. Today I'll teach you have and has in Urdu. I have a new house. I have a new car. I have a son. I have a daughter. How to say that in Urdu. Today we're going to learn how to express have and has when it comes to material and objects and possessions. Previously, I told you that in Urdu and Hindi, the verb for have and has does not exist. So what we do is we use the post position to express have and has. If you have missed the first video, you can check out the description box. When it comes to possession, like for example, a journal or a sofa, a new car, a new house, or something like that, we use the post position ke paas. Ke paas. So for example, let's say our subject is Catherine. Catherine has a new house. So how would we say it? We'll say Catherine ke paas. Catherine ke paas means Catherine has. Catherine ke paas. Catherine के पास नया घर है. Catherine के पास नया घर है. Catherine has a new house. Catherine के पास नया घर है. Catherine के पास नई गाड़ी है. गाड़ी is car. Catherine has a new car. Catherine के पास नई गाड़ी है. Let's take a male subject, Michael. Michael के पास बहुत पैसे हैं. Michael के पास बहुत पैसे हैं. Now let's look at a possession. It is a material object, a tangible thing. So for that you use के पास. Michael के पास बहुत पैसे हैं. Michael के पास बहुत पैसे हैं. Michael के पास एक साइकिल है. Michael has a cycle. Michael के पास दो गाड़ियाँ हैं. Michael के पास दो गाड़ियाँ हैं. Michael has two cars. Michael के पास दो गाड़ियाँ हैं. Now let's say I have a biscuit. Now I is मैं. It's मैं के पास. If you have watched previous video, you probably know that when मैं and के combine or come together, it forms मेरे. मेरे पास. So मेरे पास means I have. मेरे पास बिस्किट है. मेरे पास बिस्किट है. I have a biscuit. तुम्हारे पास क्या है? तुम्हारे पास क्या है? What do you have? तुम्हारे पास means you have. क्या? What? है is. What do you have? तुम्हारे पास क्या है? What do you have? Do you have a question? If you have, do comment in the comment section. So if you want to make it formal or more respectful, you'll say आपके पास एक बिस्किट है. आपके पास एक बिस्किट है. Do you have a biscuit? आपके पास means you have a biscuit. आपके पास एक बिस्किट है. आपके पास गाड़ी है. Do you have a car? आपके पास गाड़ी है. उसके पास साइकिल है. She or he has a cycle. उसके पास साइकिल है. उसके पास साइकिल है. He has a cycle. If you want to make it more respectful, you can say उनके पास साइकिल है. उनके पास साइकिल है. They have or he has or she has a cycle. क्या उनके पास साइकिल है? Do they have a cycle or does she have a cycle or does he have a cycle? क्या उनके पास साइकिल है? नहीं, उनके पास साइकिल नहीं है. उनके पास साइकिल नहीं है. They don't have a cycle. उनके पास साइकिल नहीं है. मेरे पास साइकिल है. मेरे पास साइकिल है. मेरे पास साइकिल भी है और गाड़ी भी है. I have a cycle and a car. मेरे पास साइकिल भी है और गाड़ी भी है. So all of these possessions are objects, some material things. I hope you have learned a lot. If you want to get a PDF file, you can become a Patreon. Or if you just want to support me and help me with making these videos, you can support me on Patreon. Have a great day and goodbye.